I'm Guru Manigandan. This is my student Aditya. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do takedowns. Even if your opponent is bigger than you, you can easily take down your opponent if you use the proper signs and proper techniques. So I'm going to show one by one now, from standing position and from the ground position. Also, I'm going to show you how to do takedown. Okay, one by one I'll show you now. Okay, first technique, when your opponent is standing and you are also standing, and for different stances we can use different techniques. If his opponent legs are together like this, then you have to do different takedown. If your opponent one leg is forward, then you can do different takedown. But you're not going to use too much power for this. You're going to do the proper technique. Okay, from here I'm going to do single leg takedown. Okay, just watch. If he's attacking you or you are doing the first attack, okay, you can do the same technique for both situation. Okay, when he's like this, you are standing and talking with him. If you are ready to hit, or when you think your opponent is going to attack you, you can just shoot your first technique. Okay, from here you just go down and knee down on the ground. You put your one arm on his ankle and the other arm in the thighs like this, the elbow. Okay, from here you just turn. That's it. Okay, now you already took down your opponent. From here you can just go and kick your opponent groin. Okay, or you can just break the knee like this. Okay, you can do knee break or groin strike. Okay, or you can just walk and do the stomp on his face. Okay, you can do ankle locks. I don't want to teach that. It's a little complicated for whoever learning martial art in beginner stage, or who don't know the martial art. Okay, so it's easy for anyone. The technique I shown is easy for everyone. Yeah. Now I'm going to do this when your opponent is attacking you. Okay, hit me, some punch. Okay, go down and take down. Okay, then you go forward and stomp on his face. Okay, so you always control. Okay, if you stand like this and not doing anything, he can punch your groin from there. Okay, so you can just put your shin on your opponent's face. See, it's control. It's also give so much pain for your opponent. If you feel pain, you tap. Okay, you can also go for the strike here or out of the groin. Okay. Okay. Second technique is when your opponent is standing like this, shoulder breadth stance or little wider stance like that. Same like before. You can do this when your opponent is trying to punch you, or you can do it as your first technique, first attack. Okay, from here I will show you. You just go forward and put your one leg between his legs and hold your opponent thighs, like just above the fold you have to hold. Then when you pull his legs, you also push your opponent's abdomen with your shoulder. Okay, from here do like this. See, already he banged his head on the floor. That itself enough for him. If you want to hurt him more, you can just knee down on this groin like this. Okay, you can knee down, go and stomp his face, or you can knee down and just walk front, give a face punch, a body punch, or you can use the other knee on this rib cage and solar plexus. Okay, you can do the hair pull and you can do a lot of stuff from here. Okay, takedown is very important. After that, you can do anything. Next technique is when you are on the ground and your opponent is approaching you for attack. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the takedown. It's same like the first technique. I'm on the ground. At least you need some knowledge in the BJJ, otherwise it will be difficult to perform. Okay, go back a little bit. Yeah. See, from here he pushed you down or you fell down accidentally. Okay. When your opponent is coming close to you, you have to first stop him. Okay, not coming closer. Okay, if you stop your opponent, what you will do? You will put the other leg forward, right? Okay, when you stop this leg, okay, stop this leg. Before he comes forward, okay, you have to act fast. Okay, if he first from here, stop there. Okay, like this, you have to lock like this. Okay, this leg is down, this leg is up. Same like the first technique. From here, you have to pull it 45-degree angle. Okay, see, from here, I can also go for the next lock. Okay, see, I lock here. I can go like this and up. to the upper body control. Okay, from here I can go for the punches. Okay, whatever I can do. Okay, from here. But again from the different angle. Okay, and different legs. As I told you before, I had that leg forward first. Left leg forward. So this is the leg he's keeping forward. I have to take down this. But if you come forward with the other leg fast, come forward. Okay, now you change it. You lock it first. You already locked this leg. So now you have to change it to like this. From here, change it fast like this and take down. Okay, you can just get up and do the knee, shin to the groin you can put. Okay, and go to the body like that. You can also do a full circle like that. Okay, and lock it. Lock your knee. It's a knee lock. Or you can break your opponent lean from here. Okay, or you can just leave and come for the face to kick. Okay, so in a real situation we cannot pretend anything. Whatever we practice we can apply, but if it's not working you have to change it. Change the technique very quickly. I hope you all enjoy this video. These three techniques is very easy and effective techniques, but you must need at least some experience in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu to do these techniques. If you have experience in any other martial arts, also you can try to practice it with your practice partner and try to get it. And it's very easy. You have to understand your body mechanism. If you understand your own, you also will understand your opponent's. Okay, so it's very important to understand your own body first. Then it's easy to understand your opponent. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share it to your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye from Guru Manikandan and Aditya.